Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, October 25th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. The UAW strike against the big three automakers continues, and things are getting worse before they, hopefully, start to get better. The UAW initiated a strike at the Sterling Heights assembly plant, Stellantis' biggest plant, on Monday, as the UAW says that Stellantis has the highest profits of the big three and the worst deal on the table. In response, Stellantis has instantly laid off 525 workers across the Sterling stamping and Warren stamping plants, bringing their total of laid-off employees to more than 2,000. Hopefully, this further escalation brings everyone back to the negotiating table sooner than later. The video game industry layoffs continue, with Sony-owned studio Media Molecule eliminating 20 staff, or about an 18% reduction in force. Media Molecule is another PlayStation developer, a platform that has been hit extremely hard in recent weeks due to layoffs at Sony. Other video game studios that have suffered layoffs include Embracer Group, Frontier, Project Red, Volition, Epic Games, and Telltale Games, among others. Finally, Amgen, a major biopharmaceutical company, is laying off 350 former Horizon workers after the $27.8 buyout of Horizon was completed earlier this month. The eliminations are occurring with overlap between positions of those formerly at Horizon and personnel at Amgen, but more than 80% of former Horizon staff are being placed in roles at Amgen. The layoffs will begin on December 30th of this year and continue all the way through December of 2024. Amgen laid off 300 employees in January and another 450 in May, so this is their third reduction in force this year.